Is it just my house, or even you guys find more hair than dhool in your house? Because I can only see my hair and not anything else. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. Today's video is going to be on my night routine. Now ever since I've got my studio, my night routine has changed quite a bit, and I've already made the morning routine video. This is how it looks like. You should go give it a watch because this video is in continuation of that video, so you will have an idea ki morning mein kya hota hai, fir night mein kya hota hai. I am very excited to share this video with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So I think we left off right on this bed when I was editing, and that was the morning routine. So it's almost 7:30, 7:45 right now, and this is the time when I decide if I have to sit here and work, or I can go home. It depends on the workload, to be honest. So today I don't have like a lot of workload, so I'm gonna go home. But I don't know if you guys can see, but there is just so much pasara, so much of a mess that I make even after I'm done shooting, and I do clear out a lot of the mess, but फिर भी बहुत कचरा हो जाता है. So and I don't have any maid, like any house help for this particular place, so I have to clean everything by myself. So yeah, let's do that. Like look at this, look. मतलब इतना मेसी कैसे हो जाता है घर, I still don't know. So I just put on some music and start cleaning, and I am so hungry at this point. By the way, I am obsessed with Willow by Taylor Swift recently. I'm just listening to this song on repeat. That's good. I know it still doesn't look clean, but I promise I have picked 90% of the things. And after I have done this, I have to do kachra and like start cleaning the tables and everything, because if you guys have noticed, everything is white and it looks pretty, but it's a pain to keep it clean and keep it white because बहुत जल्दी stain हो जाता है. But ये IKEA के जो drawers है ना, one thing that I love about them is that it's very easy to clean. मतलब मेकअप भी लगता है, कुछ भी लगता है, आप पानी से झट से साफ कर दोगे तो निकल जाएगा. It's not that difficult to maintain. However, you have to do it like every 2 days, otherwise धूल बहुत prominently दिखती है. So this is the time I take to like clean these things, because next morning when I come, I want everything to be clean, because cluttered places give you cluttered thoughts, you know what I mean, and it just blocks your creativity. I don't think I'm the Monica from Friends, but I am pretty tidy and clean. I don't have OCD like that, but yeah, I like my place to be a little cleaner, especially when I'm gonna shoot there the next day. I don't want to work extra in the morning. It's okay, I'm like a night owl, I can work at night. Is it just my house, or even you guys find more hair than dhool in your house? Because I can only see my hair and not anything else. Now after this, I just check my kitchen, like I do my dishes on my own and stuff. So मैं बस dishes को dry करके I keep them on its place. Yes, I have purple tissues. And now the last task, where I just check what all products that I am supposed to review and test out. So if you guys have watched the vanity tour, you would already know कि ये जो drawer है first वाला, उसमें I keep my PR and the products that I'm supposed to promote in particular month. So I test out the products for at least a week. So I just check कि कौन से products मेरे को घर पे लेके जाने हैं, which I can test at home, because सारे products तो studio में test नहीं हो सकते. So I just check कि क्या क्या लेके जाना है. I take that, and also I have to take the laundry. So I don't do my laundry in this house. I mean, I have the bathroom as you guys can see, the bathroom's there, so like I can do my laundry here, but there is no machine and stuff. So you know, bed sheets hote hain, ya fir napkins hote hain, makeup cloth, all of that I take home. तो आज bed sheet निकालनी है because 4-5 दिन से I think bed sheet बदली नहीं हुई है. So yeah, this fluorescent green bag is what I carry, you guys. It's my mom's vegetable bag, so I put everything in this. So I have to carry my laptop bag, my laundry bag, and उसमें मैंने सारा सामान लिया हुआ है, whatever I wanna test, and also that kachra, that green bag, and also that tripod का box. I just, you know, empty my laundry bag, then I wash my hands and my legs and all of that. I will take a bath at night, so I don't like do any skincare at this point of time. I just go through my planner once again. Ow, hit myself. I just go through my planner once again and see what all is left, what all I'm supposed to do. And by this time it's 8:30, 8:45, which is my like posting time kind of, YouTube and Instagram both. So today I'm not posting any video on YouTube, but I have like an Instagram reel. I just have to like you know, write the description. The reel is ready, it's edited and everything, so I just have to post that. Don't mind my hair, like they are so oily and greasy. I need to wash them, but you guys know me, I always oil my hair before washing. So it's almost 9:15 right now and I am late to have my dinner, to be very honest. But you know what, ever since I've bought my studio, ऐसा ही हो रहा है. I am just, you know, not on schedule with my lunch and my dinner. Lunch तो मेरा skip ही होता है, and dinner बहुत late होने लगा है. That's why probably I'm losing weight. A lot of you guys always ask me, Mansi, how are you so fit? I am not fit, I am underweight. Okay, so do not keep me as your role model, please. At least in that figure wala thing, I am just not good at my diet. I'm gonna use the tea tree hair oil, which has tea tree and ginger oil. This is how it looks like. I love the fact that it comes with this comb because it's so easy to, like, you know, apply the oil on the roots. Because if you have watched any of my videos, I always say this, that focus the oil on your roots and not on your strands that much. And if you have itchy scalp, go for the tea tree one because it helps to reduce dandruff. So every time you shop from Mamaearth, they are gonna link your order to a tree that they are gonna plant on your behalf, and they are aiming to plant 1 million trees by 2025. It's a great initiative in my opinion. Also, all of their products are made with natural ingredients. There are no harsh chemicals involved, as you guys already know, and it's not a gimmick. It's an authentic real plant that you can track with your order ID. As always, I have a coupon code which is just for you guys. It's not gonna benefit me. It's called Mansi 2021. You will get 20% off on their website only. They are also available on Amazon and Nykaa. So I oil my hair before I shower because I take a bath with hot water, so it acts like a steam kind of, and the hair follicles can absorb the oil better. Now they have different variants as well. They have the onion one, which everybody knows about. They also have argan oil and bring amla, so you can choose whichever you want. I'll be leaving all the links in the description box below. Now I know you guys must be like, Mansi, why are you rubbing an ice on your face? It's not good for your face, this, that. Well, hear me out. This is what works for me. I am not telling you guys to do it. Like every night I do it. I feel my skin's texture has improved ever since I started doing this, and run it on my face till it melts. Also, I just do it once in 24 hours. Now ये सब करते करते almost 10 o'clock हो जाता है. So my night skincare routine is pretty intense. So if you guys want me to talk about that, let me know. I am watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. It's my new obsession. Like, I am obsessed with this show, you guys. That you need to take care of your body. जितना आप अपने skin की और बालों की you know care करते हो, उतना you have to, you know, take care of your body as well. So don't forget to moisturize your body. That's what I'm doing. I hope you guys can see. you guys must be like, why is she sleeping niche? So I am having severe backache recently, so you know, I try to sleep niche as much as possible. I just take like 3-4 chaddars or you know, thick blankets, and I sleep on that. Also, one more thing that I've changed in my night routine is this thing. So I have put this so soft. This is the satin cover. I got it from Amazon. I'll try to link it in the description box. So I try to change the covers every night, but 2 din mein ek bar to I do only. It helps in reducing your hair fall, and also if you are someone who sleeps on the pillow, then try to, you know, use satin covers. They are very gentle on your skin. So yeah, and I have seen a difference, at least in my hair fall. And then it's time to start writing in my journal, diary, planner, whatever you want to call it. And February ka schedule is pretty hectic. I thought, you know, Jan ke baad I will take it slow, but Feb mein वैसा होने नहीं वाला है. I am gonna post a lot of videos, trust me on that. So मैंने सब लिखा हुआ है. I don't want to give out details. So I just, you know, take my time. This is the time where I, you know, schedule my next day or next week rather. I have to give dates to the brands. I have to submit videos. I have to edit them on time. So I write everything down in this. It takes almost an hour for me to like schedule everything. Sometimes it gets very, very nerve-wracking. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do. Also share what all you do in your night routine. I would love to know, and I genuinely mean that. So yeah, let's chat in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.